Welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is the 48th lecture of digital marketing topic Advantages and Disadvantages of Viral Marketing. In the previous lecture, we are discussing what is viral marketing and what are the different types of viral marketing. Viral marketing is that which is able to generate interest and the potential sale of a brand or product through messages that spread us, in other words, quickly and from person to person. Idea is to be a as viral advertising, word of mouth, creating a buzz, network marketing, and choose to share the content. So, viral marketing is a strategy that focuses on spreading information and opinion about a product or service from person to person. Then going to what are the advantages of viral marketing. First one, cost effective. Second one, easy to segment target customers. Third one, fast growth. Fifth, potential great reach. Last one is it helps build up your brand. So what are the disadvantages of viral marketing? First one, it is very cost effective. Second one, easy to segment target customers. Then fast growth. Next one, increased credibility. Then potential of great reach, and the last one is it helps build up your brand. These are the main advantages of viral marketing. And what are the disadvantages of viral marketing? Typically has a short lifespan per campaign. Next one, low chance of being highly successful. Next one, can often backfire. Last one is fake advertising. These are the main disadvantages of viral marketing. First one, typically has a short lifespan per campaign, low chance of being highly successful, can often backfire, and the last one is fake advertising. Then going to what are the elements of viral marketing strategies. First one, gives away products or services. Second, provides for effortless transfer to others. Third one, scales easily from small to very large. Then exploits common motivations and behaviors. Then utilizes existing communication networks. And the last one is takes advantage of other users resources. First element is gives away valuable products or services. Free is the most powerful word in a marketer's vocabulary. Most viral marketing programs gives away valuable products or services to attract attention. Free email services, free information, free cool buttons, free software programs that perform powerful functions but not as much as you get in the pro version. Second element is provides for effortless transfer to others. The medium that carries your marketing messages must be easy to transfer and replicate. Email, website, graphic, software download, etc. Viral marketing works famously on the internet because instant communication is easy and inexpensive. The digital format makes copying simple. From a marketing standpoint, you must simplify your marketing message so it can be transmitted easily and without degradation. Short is better. Third element is scales easily from small to very large. To spread like wildfire, the transmission method must be rapidly scalable from very small to very large. The weakness of the Hotmail model is that a free email service requires its own mail servers to transmit the message. You must build in scalability to your viral model. Fourth one is exploits common motivations and behaviors. Clever viral marketing plans take advantage of common human motivations. Design a marketing strategy that builds on common motivations and behaviors for its transmission, and you have a winner. Fifth one is utilizes existing communication networks. Most people are social. Social scientists tell us that each person has a network of 8 to 12 people in his or her network of friends, family, and associates. A person's broader network may consist of scores, hundreds, or thousands of people depending upon his or her position in society. Affiliate programs exploit as do permissions email list. Learn to place your message into existing communication. You rapidly multiply its dispersion. Next one is takes advantage of other resources. The most creative viral marketing plans use others' resources to get the word out. Affiliate programs, for example, place text to authors who give away free articles seek to position their articles on others' web pages. A new release can be picked up by hundreds of periodicals and form the basis of articles seen by hundreds of thousands of readers. Now, someone else newsprint or web page is relaying your marketing message. Someone else's resources are depleted rather than your own. These are the elements of viral marketing. First one gives away products or services, provides for effortless transfer to others, scales easily from small to very large, exploits common motivations and behaviors, utilizes existing communication networks. Last one is takes advantage of others' resources. Why is viral marketing so effective? Because viral marketing is an amazing method of generating traffic and leads, but also creates a great demand for a yet to be released product. Second thing is viral marketing is not a marketing strategy. It is genius and quite valuable for many marketers that rely on the internet for a full. Third one is viral marketing is so successful because it creates a curiosity and desire needed to generate the demand for a product or services. That's why viral marketing is so effective. First one, it creates a demand for a released product. Second one, it is very genius and quite valuable, and also it is for a full-time income. Last one is it creates a curiosity and a. So today's assignment question is what are the advantages and disadvantages? What are the elements of viral marketing? Second question, what are the elements of viral marketing strategy?